about picker in Swift UI. Let's talk about picker in Swift UI. A control for selecting from a set. A control for selecting from a set of mutually exclusive value. A control for selecting from a set of mutually exclusive value. So first of all, we're gonna create a UI Swift UI view. Command N, and this is a Swift UI view. Suppose which have a Swift UI view is picker example, which has Swift UI view. We're gonna get on Swift. So first of all, we're gonna get on this state property, bind on this state private var. Suppose whichever is selecting is equal to 0, assign on this 0 value. We can integer type, we can assign this 0 value. Suppose we're gonna create on this vstack layout, create on the vstack, and we're gonna call in this picker, which have initialized title, selecting bound, and content localized string key. Suppose which have a localized string key, and this is the localization select any value, and which have bind on this property dollar is selecting, and we can access on this content. Suppose this is the content, we're gonna create on for each loop, and this is a for each loop 0 and less than content. Suppose which have a 50 element, and we're gonna calling on the 50 element, and we're gonna call on the 50 element, and this is the item in, and we're gonna create on this text, and we're gonna call in this text. This is the item, bind on this, we're gonna run this project. This is the selecting item. So first of all, picker, we're gonna create what is picker? A control for selecting from a set of mutually exclusive value. Suppose this is to select 2 value, and suppose this is for select 4 value. Suppose which have a select 8 value. Suppose we say 10. Suppose we're gonna apply on this text font. This is the last title, and we're gonna apply this heavy, and we're gonna apply this blue color. Okay, and we're gonna apply suppose 3 value. We're gonna say 3 and 4, and we're selecting value. Suppose is 6. Selecting value is 20, and we're gonna resume on this project. Selecting value is 20. This selecting value is 20. Okay, and we can selecting value in 20. So what is picker? Picker, a control for selecting from a set of mutually exclusive value. A control for selecting from a set of mutually exclusive value. Okay, I'm gonna bind on this properties and values. So this is a picker selecting item. Suppose the selecting item is 30, and we're gonna resume on this project. So this is a 30 selected element. Suppose 32 and 34 selected element, and bind on this property. So thank you for watching. You can enjoy picker in Swift UI.